So now let's see how we can create photo slideshow inside of Filmora by importing out multiple images and by adding in effects onto it. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to import out some photos by clicking on the plus button right here. And over here, you can see that I'm in my images folder on my Dropbox. So I'm just going to select out all of these images right here, and then I'm going to hit the open button. And now you can see that all of the images are now here. So I'm just going to click and drag it right here. And then what you see is you just got a bunch of still images with no effect whatsoever. But as the time passes, you can see that the images change out. So what I want to do is I want to add in transitions onto this. So I'm just going to go around right here. Let me just increase this in size right here to fill out the area just like this. And I can also do this. So what I can also do over here is I can go around and then resize all of these things out. So I can pull this out as well, but I'm just going to resize this out and keep it right here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to resize this out right here and keep it right here, just like this. So let me just go around and resize this out right here. And then if I were to go around and then keep it right here, then I'm just going to resize and keep this right here as well. So it fills up the entire screen. So what else I can do right here is I can add in transitions. So I'm just going to go to transition right here, and then I'm going to go around with orb right here. So I'm just going to go around with different sort of orbs right here, different sort of orb effect so that it looks very good. I'm just going to go around and then set all of this around 1 second of transition right here. So now let's see how this actually looks like. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that this is how it looks like. There is the image right there, and there is the transition right there. So after like a certain time, you can see that that is how the transition actually happens, just like that. So now you can also select this around. You can go to the crop tool, and you can use the pan and zoom tool right here as well to have interesting effects. So there's the start and end right here. And this is how it looks if we were to add in the pan and zoom effect. So I'm just going to go around and then select this around. This is the start and this is the end. So you can just go around and select the end portion. I'm just going to say I'm going to go around with the zoom area in this section right here. I'm going to select this as well. And if I were to go around, I'm just going to go around onto this side. Let's go to zoom right here, pan and zoom. And then the end, that's going to be on the other section. So let's say this is going to be the end area for this particular picture. I can go around and then I can go around on to pan and zoom again. And then I can go around right here, select the portion I want to zoom around into. So let's say, for example, I want to work with this area right here. And then for this one, I'm just going to go around into the pan and zoom. And I'm just going to go around right here. Keep it on this section. So now let's see how this actually looks like. So if I were to press the play button right here, you can see that the zoom in effect is there as well, just like that, which gives it a more interesting effect right there. So just like that, the zoom in and everything else is there. You can go ahead and add in some other effects as well. So let's say, for example, I want to add in some effects right here. Something like 1977 right here. So I'm just going to keep it all right here on the top so that it actually works around. I'm just going to reduce the alpha channel a bit as well so that it looks okay. So if I were to press the play button now, you can see that the effect has come into play as well, and that is how it actually looks at the end. And that is how you can create a photo slideshow inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.